Hi friends! So before watching this video, please keep in mind that this video was literally filmed 2 years ago. I'm not joking, it was filmed in summer of 2019. However, I still want to upload it because Christian edited it and it is hilarious. But yeah, just keep in mind I look very different, I act very different because I was in my awkward phase during that time, and my camera presence is trash. Enjoy! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like So today I'm here again with Christian.
So
Christian and I did a video together last year. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. But today, what are we doing, Christian?
I'm doing your makeup!
So Christian knows nothing about makeup, but
I've seen 2 James Charles videos. They were both about Minecraft and Fortnite.
I'm gonna try to tell him the least amount as possible.
This is the part where we show the makeup
Yeah.
and we start doing this. Wow! Can you see it? I don't know if they can see it. I'm gonna use L'Oreal Infallible Promate.
Foundation brush. Okay, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about how to use this. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on my hand so you don't have foundation on your hand. I'm gonna squirt a little bit on my hand.
I know what we're doing color-wise. I'm not telling you yet.
And then swirl it around a little bit, and then you can put it on my face.
Oh god, where do I put it? Where do I?
Everywhere.
I'm a beauty guru. I'm not even in the shot. Is it working? I can't tell.
Yeah, you're not. It just like covers my acne.
Put it on your eyebrow. Okay, we need more. Okay, turn to me. I'm gonna put it on your chin. Wow. Wow, Simba. I didn't do your nose. Let me do your nose.
Oh gosh.
And then we should be done.
I guess powder's next. Powder isn't really very... Okay, so you're gonna take this brush.
Hello? Do I, like, blotch it or...
Just...
this Okay, I'm ready. Stop moving!
Okay. Here you go. I'm not gonna tell you what to do.
What kind of medieval torture device is this?
Okay.
Oh, is this like a little... Okay.
Spoolie thing. He doesn't know what spoolie is. Never mind.
Wow.
Wow.
Is this working? I put so much foundation on your eye, on your eyebrow.
No, the other side of the pencil.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's too. What is this? What?
I can't move.
Oh, stop moving.
I'm trying. I'm sorry.
Okay, turn your other face towards me.
Your other.
Your other face.
Oh my god.
No.
Okay.
Now what?
It's time for blush. So I have this. Welcome to my ASMR channel.
ASMR makeup. Ooh. It's like a unicorn horn. Can you see it? We're going fearless because
That's so much.
I have no,
Oh my gosh.
literally nothing.
Can I use that blush? It's like clown stuff.
Clown makeup.
Oh my god.
And this is called the swirl technique. Other cheek.
Oh my. Okay.
You're gonna look like a clown. Sorry.
The only other person that's ever done my makeup is Lily.
And she actually knows what she's doing. Look at me. Very perfect.
Oh.
Baked.
Okay, so we're doing highlighter now.
This is called
Do you know what highlighter is?
Glow Sugar Kit Anastasia, made in Beverly Hills, China.
What?
Shut up.
Okay, just use this one.
Okay, we have. Where does this go?
Cheekbone.
So we have marshmallow, gumdrop, starburst, and butterscotch. Butterscotch sounds delicious, so we're going with that one. I'm using this one. It's called butterscotch. So it goes on the cheekbones.
Mm-hmm.
You can't look. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You can't see the finished product. That's a lie. You're looking a bit like a moth, but blend it out, blend it upward. You know how.
He knows it. Are you blending it down?
No. Yes.
Oh my god.
There's powder everywhere. Okay, we're done. Perfect.
Blend it everywhere. Okay.
This is so hard. Okay, now what?
I guess eyeshadows next. James Charles time.
Whoa! We're using the James Charles Morphe palette. You don't have it because you're poor, so. What's eyeshadow?
Eye paint.
Eye paint.
Okay.
If you need like a purple color, then use this one.
Okay, I'll just see what we got to work with. These ones are dull. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, those are more natural. Okay, so what kind of look are we going for today?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Those brushes.
Okay. So we have many brushes.
So do I just start slapping stuff on your eyes?
Yes.
Okay.
All the brushes.
Rachel's over there. You can't
Rachel's
see her.
over here.
Say hi, Rachel.
Hi, Rachel.
This one is called Morphe Jordan Hill. I don't know who
Jaclyn
that is.
Hill.
Jaclyn. I don't like these names. Mainly because I can't say them without this video being demonetized. Okay, whatever. So I just start slapping stuff on your eyes.
Yep.
We're using all these brushes. Go with the general big color.
Alright, so I have to close my eyes because I don't want to see what you're doing.
Yeah, and
He has to put it
Just
on.
so you know, my eyelids shake a lot for some reason.
we're doing this color first.
I'm so
Kind of a
scared.
general color. You know how it be.
My eyelids like vibrate for some reason, so don't make fun of me. Oh no, oh no, oh no,
Ah!
oh no. Like this. Okay.
You look like a clown. Oh, we move it. Oh, we move it.
Oh, we move it.
So my question is, are you actually trying?
I am trying. I'm dead trying.
Okay.
Honestly, I'm trying. We're gonna do a general color, just kind of, get it kind of going. Okay. No. Okay, turn to your
You're
other.
grabbing so.
Is this a lot? It's not that bad.
It doesn't look that bad, he says.
It's creasing. Is this the wing?
Why is it in your eyebrow?
Look at me. We're gonna
I
go.
guess I have to keep my eyes
We're
closed
gonna
for
go
the
in with
rest of
this
the
brush with We're gonna go with this color right here. I'm gonna call it color.
Oh, okay. Oh, on the eyelashes.
I didn't mean to do that. It's all over your eye.
It's too funny, bro.
It all came over your eye.
I love this for me.
The wing?
The wang.
The wang.
Wang.
Doesn't look that bad. Honestly, this looks really good. This looks really, really good, Ella. Okay, you should always trust the guy who doesn't know how to do makeup. Your eye keeps twitching.
I know. It always does.
Okay, now we're gonna do the final color. We're gonna go in with this cowboy. I have to sneeze. Okay, we're going in with this one. I don't know if you can see. This one. This color.
I'm gonna be ready to raid Area 51 with this makeup look.
This one's gonna go over the eyebrow. Kind of blend downward. It's not blend downward. Whoa, that actually looks really cool. It matches with the cheekbone stuff that I see. Look at me! Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Wait, which color did I choose? I think it was this one. Okay, turn your other face towards me.
Your other face?
I might have to go back and fix this wing because it's a little...
I'm feeling eyeshadow fall on me.
It's a little crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go back and get some more. Fix the wing a little. This is looking like an Egyptian look. If they fall off
no,
the
attach
roof.
it here.
I'm fixing this side.
Okay.
What?
This is so much-
What are you doing?
Wait, I'm not done.
Looks like she has glasses on.
Okay, now we're gonna take this super.
I thought you said you were trying.
I am trying. Now the final trick we're gonna do. We're gonna go in with this baby brush, and we're gonna go in with. Finish it off with. Ooh, this is gonna complement this color, which is why I'm guessing they're placed side by side. So make sure you
It
get.
doesn't matter.
Make sure you get. Okay, so you want that much. I don't know if that's a lot or not, but okay. Look at me. Okay, Ella, look at me. Okay. We're just gonna cover the upper crease. Look at Rachel. That's not a bad stroke. Look how good that is.
That's terrible.
No, it's not. No, it's not. I'm gonna come in here and go. Eat. It's off center. Okay.
Who wants a video where I teach Christian how to do actual
Come here. Okay. Come in. We're just. Yeah.
No answer. That's not promising.
You know.
Do you quit yet?
This is the last color.
I'm gonna have to like shield my eyes from the camera so I don't see what's
Dude, how are you
happening.
gonna clean this off?
Oh no.
Just take a shower.
So
Let's try one from this palette. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna go with. I changed my mind. These colors are ugly.
By the way, Jaclyn Hill, I love
This
your palette.
color.
She's not watching this.
This color right here. I don't think you've used this one yet.
Yeah, there are a few that I haven't
oh
used.
my gosh.
Am I aesthetic? Is that a lot? Is that a lot?
Oh!
Yeah, I'm fixing the wing.
You're a pixie?
Yeah. We're gonna blend this up and then we're gonna come down.
It's quite a big wing you got going on there.
I mean, it kind of touches your hairline, but
Yeah.
it's okay. Boom. Boom. And then we're gonna get a little more and go boom. Okay, I'm telling you this now. The right side definitely looks better
Turn to me.
than the left side. So the first thing you gave me, the milk. I don't know, what is this?
Mascara.
Where does mascara go?
Eyelashes. I'm scared. Interesting technique. Oh my
Oh
God.
no! Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. Do the same tactic from before. And then spruce it. Okay, that's done.
Okay.
So now we're gonna do this lipstick.
I'm looking down so I don't see.
I really want to taste it. It's edible,
It
right?
smells really good.
And
Smell
it
it.
tastes good.
Yeah, it does.
I've
taste
worn
good.
it before. It tastes really good, to be honest.
I don't
Honestly,
wanna do
you
it.
can't.
Let's do a makeup taste test.
Okay.
Do this with your. Look at me do this. Do it! Come on! We're almost done. Okay, are you ready? You know what? This isn't a bad color. Okay, you might look a little bit like Miranda Sings, but that doesn't look that bad. Except for the little bit that I got on your chin, it doesn't look that bad. Yeah, kiss it off like. Okay, let me come in. Boom. I'm not
I'm gonna
done.
get on my teeth.
I'm not done. I'm trying not to shove it in your mouth. Let me fix this bottom lip a little bit.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Your lips are done. Is there anything else?
Setting spray.
Okay, you ready? Do I do little squirts or do I like?
It squirts.
You
You were far away, bro.
didn't tell me that.
I'm
Okay.
supposed to tell you anything.
Is there anything else, Ella?
Nope.
Okay. Okay, are you ready to see your...
I'm so scared. Wait, give me a mirror.
Can I do a close-up first?
For the final reveal?
I'm really not.
I think you look beautiful. 3, 2, 1. You look...
I can't even look at myself. If I could stop laughing, that'd be great. Oh my god.
Do you like
I
it?
look like Pennywise. What is this? You made my lips.
As you can see, I got a little bit on your forehead. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Oh,
Aren't you beautiful?
it looks so much better on this mirror.
As you can see, I went for a pink look on the wing, and I tried to blend the blue, make a bluish gold. And
Okay, the highlighter looks pretty good, I must admit.
what's the highlighter? I can't remember.
The gold cheekbone thing.
Did you like the stuff I did on your cheeks, the blush? How's the blush look? It's looking a little clowny, but...
I don't like my lips. It makes my lips look so big, and I have super small lips, and it's really weird.
I tried my best, guys. I'm sorry.
What was your whole vision with this part?
I kind of got mad, so I had to let out my anger on someone. What would you call this look?
I think I'm. Oh my gosh, this lipstick on my teeth. Area 51 ready.
What would you rate my makeup skills out of 10 being
0.
What?
Wait, the face makeup looks pretty good. Well, so I'll give you a solid 2.5.
Yes, I didn't get a 0.
I am ready for Coachella. Oh my
So,
gosh.
what are your final thoughts?
I'm never having you do this again. Good
Comment below if you want me to do your makeup. I charge $60 an hour. How much would I have to pay to wear this out in public?
500.
I had fun. This stuff was intense opening. Like, look at this. What?
Wow. What did you expect?
I don't know. Thanks for watching. I don't know how you end videos.
Bye.
That's it?
Like and comment, DM this and tweet this and send this to James Charles.
Oh!